We're on page 21 of our linear functions booklet. So first, write any questions you may have about this page as you go through the video. Graphing systems in the calculator. This is how to put this into the calculator. Step 1, graph each function. Input the functions into separate f of x's. Step 2, click Menu, Analyze Graph, Intersection. The lower bound is the left side of the intersection. The upper bound is the right of the intersection. The intersection is your solution to the system. So let's look at example 1. We have y is greater than negative x squared plus 3 and y is less than or equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. So we'll go to our calculator, go to graph, clear out the memory if you need to. From there we go to menu, graph entry edit, and we'll go to relation. So let's type in what we have. Y is greater than, which is control equal sign, negative x squared plus 3. And then you press enter. So the shaded part is the solution to this inequality. To get the other inequality, we just go to menu, graph entry edit, relation, and type in your other one. Y is less than or equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. And then you click enter. Notice we have 3 different kinds of shadings. The blue one by itself was from the solutions of the first inequality. This reddish color is the solutions to the second inequality. And then this new color, this purplish color, is the solution to both inequalities. So your system would look like this. If you go back to your paper and graph this, it will look like what you're about to see. Okay, after shading in the solution, which by the way, this should be a dashed line. Okay, this should be the dashed line. Okay, let's graph example 2. We have 3x plus y is greater than or equal to 12, and 4x minus y is less than 16. So we'll go ahead and clear this stuff out. Control menu, delete all, yes. Okay, graph entry edit, relation, type these in. 3x plus y is greater than or equal to 12, enter. Repeat it again, graph entry edit, relation, 4x minus y is less than 16, and then enter. Okay, notice this is our solution right here. We want to see where it intersects. To do that, we go to menu, analyze graph, intersection. Scroll to the left side, press enter. Scroll to the right side of where they intersect, press enter. They are going to cross at 4, 0. That is their intersection. That is the solution. So to get that, we'll go ahead and plot that point, 4, 0. And then we will draw lines to go with it. The first inequality is a solid line. A second inequality is a dashed line. And this is a graph of the solution. What if you didn't have a calculator that shades the solution for you? Think about that. If you don't have that, or you forget how to use it on the calculator, you could always test points. Test points that I would choose would be something not on the lines or the dashed lines. So any of these spots you could test out. If it's true for both of them, it's a solution. If it's false for even one of them, it's not a solution. 0, 0 is a really easy one, so I would try that too. Okay, some verbal descriptions of each of these inequality signs. So this first inequality sign is greater than. That is read as greater than. And some key words that you may find in a word problem for this one would be more than, bigger than, stuff like that. This next symbol is less than. You see words like smaller than. On this next one, this is greater than or equal to. That means it could be greater than or it could be equal to. You're not answering that question. That's just how it's read. This one, the keywords could be at least. And then for this last one, this is less than or equal to. You could say at most. For this problem over here, we have 2x equals y. So to describe this, we could say that x is half the amount of y, or y is twice the amount of x, or double. Okay, at the bottom of your page, go ahead and summarize this page for me. Write these in your own words so that it will help you better absorb the material.